Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial, we are going to see presentation video on voice access for Android. The Voice Access app for Android lets you control your device with spoken commands. Use your voice to open apps, navigate, and edit text hands-free. Point 1. Start using voice access. To turn on voice access, follow these steps. Open your device's Settings app. Tap Accessibility, then tap Voice Access. Tap Use Voice Access. Start voice access in one of these ways. If Hey Google detection is on, you can say, Hey Google, voice access. Open your notification shade and tap Touch to start. On your home screen, tap the Voice Access app. Tap the Voice Access activation button. Point 2. Use voice commands. After you start voice access, you can use commands to control your device. For example, open Gmail, scroll down, and go home. Point 3. General commands. You can use these commands on any screen. General commands: open, app, go back, go home, show notifications, show quick settings, show recent apps, etc. Thank you for watching presentation video on voice access, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us at www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.